Hello everyone and welcome. It's quite one thing for a performance monitoring tool to see an SSL handshake and then showcase a data point and maybe some related stats about that handshake. However, it's totally something else to be able to provide a fully fleshed out search engine to be able to search through each and every one of those SSL handshakes using the various properties of those handshakes. My name is Ishan Kapoor and I'm a tech evangelist with Riverbed, and in this video, I'll be showcasing AppResponse 11's new feature where it provides you a search engine to search through each and every one of the SSL handshakes that it sees. So let's get started with the demo and let's begin. Okay, so the first thing, as always, is a little bit of administration work. Once you are ready to do some SSL handshake search, you have to make sure that you go under administration and under feature settings, SSL TLS analysis. You'll arrive at this web page and make sure that this is enabled. By default, it is not enabled because it is somewhat performance intensive to search for SSL handshakes. So we leave it disabled, as well as if there are, if you'd like to reduce the port range that we look through instead of it being so large. If you want to focus on a few ports, that's also fine. If you want to exclude certain conversations, you can do that again through the general settings, traffic analysis filters. This one just displays the port range that is being captured for SSL or analyzed for SSL TLS handshakes. And that's it. Once you've done this, let's dive right into the transaction search. And you can get to it from the transactions menu, and TLS is right at the bottom. And at the very top, you'll see the search bar. So the search bar, if you click on it, it'll show you the various properties that are available for you to search through. And for example, if you wanted to search for any criteria, for example, certificate, cipher suite. So if the cipher suite is if you want to search if a particular weak cipher suite is being used anywhere in the network, you can search that through here. If the cipher suite if you want to particularly focus on, for example, a cipher suite mentioned here, we can just click. And by the way, it is type ahead and auto suggest, which means if traffic is being seen on that, for that property, it will automatically pre-populate the drop down for you. And here we are searching for a particular cipher suite, and it shows you all the transactions that happen for that cipher suite. And the columns, by the way, over here, these can be modified, but the rows that you see here are the individual handshakes, the individual data points that are represented in this true plot transaction or map above. On the left hand side, we see some auto groupings of the data that is represented here. This is often helpful for you to figure out big patterns in your data. If there are any concerning TLS versions, any certificate status. So we've handpicked certain auto groupings that will be useful for our users, and we've presented them here. Of course, you can choose to top them. So if you're seeing a lot of transactions go through, this web page might actually become a little bit sluggish. So you can actually narrow things down and say, look, we only want to see the top 100 transactions, for instance, or the top 10, and then do deeper analysis as you refine your search using this search engine here at the top. So this is basically a very simple search engine for searching through all your SSL and TLS transactions using various criterias. All the criterias go all the way down from the IP level to the TLS level to make it easier for you to locate what you're looking for. Just to keep you aware, this is in addition to the SSL TLS certificate search or certificate insight, where you can search for certain certificates. For example, if you are particularly curious about expired certificates or certificates expiring soon or self-signed certificates, we have a pre-built insight. This was released previously, and it gives you again a slice and dice of all the certificates that it is seeing, whether these certificates are something that we are using to decrypt traffic or not. If it's seeing any certificates, you'll see them here. And so it's a pretty helpful insight combined with the TLS search if you're particularly interested in web applications and how the SSL performance is going for you. And of course, I think the number one request is being able to see the performance of the handshake itself, the performance of the SSL transaction itself. So that shows up here as well. And you can create alerts and notifications for all of these metrics. So that's it. And thank you indeed for watching this. Hope to see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.